How to change DNS on Google Chrome on iPhone. Let's get started. Google Chrome on iPhone does not have built-in settings to change DNS directly. Unlike the desktop version of Chrome, the iOS version does not let you adjust DNS settings within the app itself. But don't worry, there is a way around it. To change your DNS on iPhone, you'll need to do it at the system level. This will apply to all your apps, including Chrome. The key here is modifying your Wi-Fi or VPN settings. So let me walk you through it. First up, open your Google Chrome on iPhone. Once you are in, at the top right corner, you're gonna find your profile icon. Click on that. Now scroll down and navigate to the option Privacy and Security. Inside Privacy and Security, tap on Browsing and then select Safe Browsing. Now, just to clarify, this option does not change your DNS settings. Safe Browsing is focused on extra security for your browsing experience. If you want a little more peace of mind, you can enable both safe browsing and secure DNS. This will help keep you protected while you browse. So while you can't directly change the DNS in Google Chrome, changing it system-wide through your Wi-Fi or VPN settings will do the trick. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.